Hi everyone. During working with a big data in Excel, is usually you have a problem with the massive is so big, what is very difficult for you to move in through the table. I mean, if you need to go absolutely down to add something, you need to scroll down, spend a lot of time to put table down. If you need to change something in the filter up, you need to again put button up and wait until the table go to the absolutely up, and so on and so on. So there is exist a very easily way how to move in the table very fast. Well, basically it wouldn't solve all issue, but for me it's help enough, and I use it constantly. In the gray area I put one everywhere, so this is like a table, like a fillet table. And look, for example, if I am absolutely in the end of a table, it doesn't matter, in the center of a table, and I wanted to move from this center to down or up, I mean to the end of the table, not a little bit, not like a page down, but especially to the end table, or to the left side, to the right side. There is the easy combination of a button. This is the Ctrl plus vector. So you press button Ctrl plus some of this one, left, right, up, down, and Excel make for you this kind of stuff. So as you can see, from now, if I want to go to the left, I press Ctrl left and I go directly to the beginning of the table. If from this position I put Ctrl right, I go to the right side of a table. If I wanted to go up, I press Ctrl up, or if I press Ctrl down, I go directly to the down. So um, if you have a very big table, this is very important to know of this how that hotkeys work. Well, basically, I will repeat, I use it every day. So yeah, use it. Just before end of the video, I wanted to show you one keyboard. Find it in the internet. I very like it. Personally, I saw that in first. This is a keyboard for one hand, and by the description to this keyboard, the person with one hand will type text with the same speed like the person with two hands. Cool, right? Thank you what you watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe, it will help me. And if you have any question, please leave it in comments. Thank you very much. Bye.